Yeah, hey, what's up? So, I'm gonna put this big old 444 pumpkin in my car today, and possibly this drive shaft, or just swap. I want to say it's a Part Shop Max center bearing, probably throw it on my current drive shaft. I got like a whole 3-liter setup coming. Well, it's kind of just sitting over there, but work on it's coming soon. And I'll probably use this drive shaft when that day comes, because this is set up for the ZF output flange. And I just got a little baby get drag in there right now, so yeah, I guess we'll start with dropping my dang exhaust. Front drive shaft bolts out, rear's out, brace out. I'm gonna take the center out. And I hope we don't need a hammer to get out of the drive shaft. Just get out of there. Man, I wonder why my freaking U-joints are thrashed. Okay, I guess we'll get a hammer and do it right. Part, I don't even fucking know. I'm tired of working on the floor. That's how she done, boys. Ah, back. Idiot. Quick change. This is why you're supposed to bolt check, I guess. Oh, that one was just coming out on its own. Cool. Maybe that's just been clunking around. He needs a bolt check. Holy hell. And there you have it. A little tipsy bartender action there. You like that shit? Well, no, quite a literal fuck. One out. Season everything. Every time I use a propane torch, I just have a constant anxiety that it's just gonna blow the fuck up. Well, that's a fucking pretty slick design. On everything, like literally everything I freaking can. Good enough for government work. What's up, everybody? I'm here today and getting ready to test out my new 444 rear end. Yeah, doing a little bit of vlog style stuff today. Fully intended on grabbing my GoPro before I left the house to come down here, trying to get some footage in car, but yeah, we didn't do that. But yeah, fresh 444 should make for some fun in like third gear now. Keep our 391 on hand in case we need to switch it up for any certain tracks. Super excited to see how this thing feels. Mainly just want to go on a normal drive today. I might go have some fun, but can't guarantee any video on it. Yeah, I'm down here by myself and kind of testing out this like face tracking thing on my gimbal. It's kind of cool. So yeah, we'll see if I can get any cool videos of this thing. Just like creeping in fifth gear right now. I don't know if anybody can hear me. Diff's definitely pretty damn noisy. Just got back from my drive. Car feels pretty good. 444 rips. Definitely wouldn't recommend it for any kind of daily driving. Went to a little Mexico parking lot and the car never kicked out in second gear. It was just kind of like bogged down from a dead stop before, but not anymore. Shreds. Kind of wanted to pick up in third gear. Shredded some back roads on the way home. And by shred, I just mean drive as fast as this little 2.5 will let me go. Then it kind of died on me. I almost didn't make it home. So that's really nice. I guess something to do with like the throttle pedal position sensor. Yeah, it kind of sounds really annoying like this. So it's not really letting me rev at all. From what the scanner told me, it is the pedal position sensor, which apparently is not serviceable in these. It is part of the throttle body, so either clean it up really good or replace it. I blew a power steering line off last time we drifted in State College, so may have sucked some power steering in there along with all the other gunk from however long this thing's been running with no filter. Whoops. I have a 3-liter sitting in the corner ready to go in this thing at some point. Just have to do a little refresh on it. Yeah, that's about all I got going on for right now. I have an SLR install for Christian.
which y'all be seeing next on the channel. And then hopefully I will keep up with some uploads this year and try and push more content to you guys. I just wanted to shout out everybody who subscribed. I think I'm at like 170, maybe pushing 200, so that's pretty cool. The team is growing. I can't wait to like show off more of the cruise builds and drive with everybody this year. Hopefully we'll be pushing out a lot more content, and hopefully I'll try and keep up with videos to be able to post more and maybe keep growing the channel. Maybe I'll have a link to the Shredder Co hoodies soon. These things are awesome. Thank you to nearly 50 people who have them now. That's pretty dang awesome. Glad everybody's supporting. Yeah, but not really too much going on other than that. So we'll see you in the next one.